Hi boys and girls, let's get started with this week's craft. This week we're going to be making giant paper flowers. These are the things that you should have in your kit. A green dowel rod, some pink, peach, yellow, and green tissue paper, some floral tape, some pipe cleaners, and some smaller square pieces of tissue paper. You're also going to need a pair of scissors for this. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our 2 yellow pieces of paper, and as you can tell, you're really going to need a large workspace for this. Fold them out so they are full size, and what you're going to do is cut them right down the middle, right in half. Okay, so what I've done now is I've laid out all 6 of the dark pink pieces of paper, and I've stacked on top the 2 light pink pieces of paper. And what you're going to do is we're going to take this rectangle and cut it into a square. So take one corner, all of the sheets, and fold it up into a triangle shape. So it looks like that. And you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut off that extra rectangle on the side there. Okay, so now I'm left with this large triangle, and when I open it up, I'm going to have a square. So I've got those 4 sheets of yellow laid right on top of my square. The next thing we're going to do is actually fold the yellow with an accordion fold. The yellow part is going to be the center of our flower. So taking all 4 pieces of the yellow paper, fold it up about 1 inch, crease it, and then flip it over and fold it up again, making sure that the edge of the paper lines up with your new fold. Fold it, flip it, fold it, flip it, and just keep going until you get all the way through the whole thing. When you're done, you'll have an accordion fold piece of yellow, and you're going to actually fold it in half. So it looks like a fan. And what we're going to do is, not on the fold part, but on the edges of the fan, we're going to cut some fringe. Using your scissors, just cut some lines into it. About 1 inch or 2 inches. And it does not have to be perfect. You will not be able to tell if you make some mistakes. If some of the fringe falls off, it doesn't matter. You won't be able to tell at the end. We're going to open that back up. And you're going to put it right in the middle of your large square. Next, we're going to accordion fold all of the pink and the yellow together. So starting down here on this flat side, make sure you do not start on the side with the fringe. You're going to fold up about 2 inches or so, maybe 1.5 inches, and then flip it and fold. So now it looks kind of like a giant fan. I think my camera cut off, but on either end, you're going to round out the pink. Don't cut all the way down to the yellow, but just cut off the edges so it's round on the pink. And do that on both sides. Then you're going to take one of your pipe cleaners and you're going to twist it right around the center to hold this whole thing together. Next, you're going to take your wooden dowel rod, and this is how we're going to attach our giant flower to our giant flower stem. Take one of the ends of the pipe cleaners and just twist it around it. A couple of times. You won't be able to see this part once we open up our flower. And we're going to just kind of stick it in there. Then we're going to use some of this floral tape, which is used for making bouquets normally, and rip off a piece. It's sort of waxy and stretchy. So you're going to kind of pull it as you wrap it around to really hold this securely. You don't really need to tie a knot, but I'm just sort of pulling it tightly, making a little X. You will probably need a grown-up to help you with this part. Now that my flower is securely taped on here, I'm going to start opening it up. So I'm going to pull up just one layer of tissue paper at a time, kind of crumpling it up towards the middle. One on that side, then one on this side. I like to alternate sides a little bit. So the last thing we're going to do is take our green paper, and you are going to open it up and cut it in half. Now that we have one half-size sheet of dark green and one half-size sheet of the light green, we're going to fold it in half this direction, starting from the left and folding it over to the right. We're going to be cutting 4 big leaf shapes. I'm going to take one dark and one light, crumple it towards the bottom, put my stick right here inside it, and then I'm going to use some of that floral tape to just wrap it around. Don't forget to stretch your floral tape as you pull it around. If you forget to stretch it, it doesn't usually stick. But if you stretch it, it gets really waxy. And it will hold it on there just great. And now our giant paper flowers are complete. There's some extra tissue paper in your kit if you want to try to use the pipe cleaners to make some smaller versions of this paper flower. I hope you guys had fun. I'd love to see some pictures of your finished project. Bye!